Well, anyway, I got a nice point today. Not the most spectacular one, but it's whole, and I think anybody that looks would be tickled to death to find it. It's not exactly what I'm looking for, but I will take it. I was hoping for a real nice serrated point or something today, but anything you can get, you got to be thankful for. So I am. Go home, check it out, and get some pictures and do a video. Later, folks. All right, I had to come back to my kayak to get my GoPro. I just been out breaking the rain. It's been raining today, and the water's still kind of up, but it came down a little bit, enough to where I can actually look some stuff, and it rained on top of it. And let me see, where did I see it? I have something marked. I have something sticking out that looks like a knife. It doesn't look like something spectacular. Let me see, where's it at? Okay, up here. I thought I lost it. So it looks the same, but right here, look, there's something sticking out right here. It's a little preform. It's kind of rough, but it's still an artifact. Not bad. It's fire popped. Well, anyway, later. This is, you can see there's a little bit of fire rock and stuff coming out in here. It could be flinty, or nope, it's a leaf. But this is all I found, that rough preform and a black piece of flint, and I've walked a good bit. It's sanded in places, or some places that look decent, but the water's up. You know, there could only be one day this week that there's something laying out. You just gotta watch the river, and really looks like it could, oh, that looks like a river pebble at least. That's, yep, that's a big piece of chert, and that's a preform. Look at that, live find. That's a river cobble. It's been broken open, river pebble chert. You can see even where they've hit it, and they started making a preform. That's what all these little serrated points are made out of. Almost all of them, except some are Crooksville, is this type of material. Well, anyway, later. I'll get back if I see anything else. I still got some more to look. Later. All right, folks, I'm out. I believe it's Tuesday morning. I always get up at, like, I don't know, 5:30 a.m. That's when my phone goes off on my nightstand by my bed. And I got up and drove to the river and looked at the water, and it was borderline to look. I've been looking the heck out of these spots, but it rained real hard, and I got a late start on it. I wasn't gonna come, and then I sat there and thought, man, there might be something laying out, and there is, and it's in the field of view now. It's not my best point this week, but it's whole, and it looks pretty nice. You can see what, I want to show you what's happened here. Look at these little rain gullies. And this principle on the river is, basically, the river was a lot lower in Indian times. The ridges, let's say there was a ridge along the ancient river. The river level's raised enough to where it's dammed too. It's like it's a lake. So the river's up feet more on average more than it is. So this hill that the Indians were living on in 10,000 years ago is cut in half, and I'm looking at the cross section of this hill, and it's a different hill every stretch of river. So there's just, you're right in the middle of this hill, and it's just falling out, the lowest layers, the highest layers, and it's laying right on the beach right here. So basically what happened is the water just come up, it rained, the water poured down through here, and you can see all these ruts. And I looked this, like, I don't know, 3-4 days ago, and look, this is probably a river pebble chert broken open. It is, look, gray chert right below it. Well, here's another flake of flint. Look here, there's another nice little flake. I might have to do some screens in here, but look right here, got a nice arrowhead laying right here. It's whole, don't look bad. Oh, it's a nice one. It's real thin, got some grinding. The inside of the notches are ground. This is an old site, but that's made kind of on a flake. You can see on that side there's not, but it's a nice point. Say it's something archaic. Well, anyway, nice find. I'm on fire, another point today, keeping the streak alive. Later. All right, you can see here's the principle I was talking about there in the last clip about the side of the cut bank. You can see right here all these big cobbles up in this layer of stratified stuff is carried in by an Indian. That's right around a campfire hearth or right out of some kind of like little dwelling. And I found points here on video below this just laying out that have washed down this slope. This is on a high slope here, and this stuff just gradually falls down and gets in pockets, and that's how I sift it. But you know, you can see a lighter band right through there. That's a sand layer. There's stuff coming out of it. Plus there's a few feet down, there's another layer that's full of burn up rock and stuff, and it's a lot older layer, like around 10,000 years old. And all right, we got another river barge powering through here. The name of the boat is the Linda Reed, Linda Reed, and it's carrying coal. Later.